Hello guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future video. So in today's video, we are going to be using this wheel cleaner from the company called Super Clean, as you can see here. I want to personally thank the team over at Super Clean for sending these awesome products for me to check out and review on my channel. You're able to pick up these products at your local Walmart, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Part, anywhere that you can think of. They have their products there. Or you can also do it via Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for Amazon if you guys just want to get it conveniently and have it shipped to your door. Recently washed my 2019 Mustang GT, so the wheels don't really need that much cleaning, but I do have a vehicle that needs some serious wheel cleaning, and I'm glad I have this product to test it out and review for you guys. The vehicle we're going to be trying out this product, the Super Clean Wheel Cleaner product, is going to be using an Infiniti G37. This one has these sport wheels, but you can see they are very, very dirty. So we're going to be going from this to that. So as far as the instructions are concerned, it's pretty much the standard wheel cleaner. You are going to be obviously rinsing out the wheel and applying this and leaving it for 30 seconds to kind of accumulate dirt and, raise it from the surface, so when you wash it off, it's going to come off very easily. Like I said, the wheels are pretty dirty, so I am going to be using a microfiber cloth just to kind of clean it up. But it does say that if you have extremely dirty wheels, to use a sponge, but I'll make do with what I have, and hopefully that should help it out, because like I said, the wheels haven't been washed in a long time on this car, so I figured it would be a perfect time to test out this new product from Super Clean. So we're going to be trying it out on one of the rear wheels. As you saw, it was pretty dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and get the water on and rinse it off just to kind of raise the dirt, and then we'll be using the product, Super Clean Wheel Cleaner. Okay, so I've got the wheels rinsed up. I'm going to go ahead and use the Super Clean Wheel Cleaner product and work our way. Now we will be waiting for 30 seconds and then cleaning over with the microfiber towel. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it, or kind of scrub it out. See a lot of dirt here. That I've scrubbed it off completely, I'm going to rinse it off and we'll take a look at the results. Looks much better than what it was. Obviously it's in very, very older rims, so it's got some scuffs on it that obviously this wheel cleaner is not going to be able to fix, but in terms of dirt, it looks very, very clean. This is all the scuff marks, so this is not dirt, but aside from that, I mean, it did a pretty amazing job just cleaning it up, making the car look much better than what it was. Alright guys, as you saw from the videos or the clips, that the Super Clean Wheel Cleaner works amazingly. Like I said, that car hadn't been washed for months, so the wheels had accumulated a lot of dirt. I was able to clean them up without any problem by using the Super Clean Wheel Cleaners. So hey, if you guys are interested in checking out these Super Clean products, I'll leave the link in the description for the Amazon link if you want to order it directly, or if you just want to visit their website and just see what they're all about and what type of products that they offer. They've got tons of other options. If you're a car enthusiast and like to work on your own cars, you will find something on their website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button and comment below what you think about their product. Would you give them a try to see how it works on your car? I'll definitely be using the product once I watch my 2019 Mustang GT, and I'll be curious to see how they work well with the black rims, because that's what I have on mine. And as always, subscribe to Red 50 for more Mustang content.